We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.